All right, another minute with Bromark here on Bromark Farms. Just 60 seconds. This is our first kind of snow or sleet or the accumulation that we can see. It's been fluffering and spitting. You can back up on that. Here, trying past couple of days, but it's finally got some kind of system here. We're going to drive down through here so we can see our new driveway. Yeah, it's piling up. It's a little slick, isn't it? Mm-hmm. And yeah, this is the first accumulation here, somewhat. But I wanted you to look at the bridge, how we fixed the dam. You can go through and just see how it's been repaired and what have you. I'm gonna hold it. It's a little cold here. Okay. So we're on the way to do our therapy, and well, that's another minute on Bromark Farms, and we'll see you in a minute. Thank you so much.